What's the deal, YouTube, man? It's your boy Takeover KIY, Takeover Key, whatever you want to call me. So, man, today I'm back with another video. I'm on this shit called the Monkey app. The Monkey app, I ain't never heard of it before. My first time going on it was last night. I went on last night to make the video for y'all last night. But the shit was on mute, cuz, so you couldn't hear shit. You could hear me, but you couldn't hear the people. So I'm like, damn, and I feel like that one was better than this one. But oh well, fuck it, we chilling. Yeah, man, so if y'all ain't already subscribe, man. Go on and like the video right now, because I'm telling y'all it's a good one. And let me know in the comments, man, if y'all want me to do a part 2, I'll do a part 2. I'm gonna get on probably like a little earlier, because there was too many. Y'all just check this shit out, man. I'm gonna get on a little earlier. I was on late night. I've been editing. I got another channel, man, Takeover Key Gaming. So I just been, I got 2 videos on that channel right now. I've been editing. I've been doing a whole lot, man, but go on and support your boy, man. I appreciate all the support. Like the video, comment, and let me know if y'all want to do a part 2, man. Think about going speed dating, going Tinder, going a little Tinder date. You know what I'm saying? Put it on YouTube, shit like that, man. Y'all let me know down below, in the comment section down below. Let me know. Let me know. What's out here gaming for real? What's going on? Why you in the door? Bruh. What the? Bruh. Ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way, bruh. Bro, why you so close to the shit, bro? Back your ass up, nigga. Retarded ass nigga. You go all close up on this shit. Bruh, them glasses, I need them.
They hard, fam?
Need them. For real, they drippy for real. Like, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Keep them motherfuckers on. You gonna get some girls tonight with them bitches. I ain't gonna lie.
Already got some, cuz.
You did?
Yes, sir.
It's litty for shitty for shit show. It's litty for shitty for real.
You wildin'.
On me, I'm Big Wallin.
Huh? Nah, bro, I was talking to my dog.
Oh, I'm about to say, damn, how I'm wildin'.
Nah, you good.
All right, gang, shit, man. You have a good night, bro. Damn, Mark. What up, gang? You got your Crenshaw? It's a Crenshaw jacket? That motherfucker say Crenshaw?
Represent my brother logo, network for life. Rest in peace, Nip.
Rest in peace, Nip. I'll fuck with that last part. Rest in peace, Nip. God damn, just say yes or no so I can skip, bro. The nigga retarded. What's going on, bro? Well, fuck you too then, man. These damn dreads in my earphones and shit.
Yo, Keon.
What's up, gang?
Show me your grills.
You want to see my
Smile,
grill?
nigga.
You want to see my
Or
what?
braces.
Your grill. Your grill. Fuck out my face, boy. Nigga said he want to see my grill. Look at that lame man. Boy, get your shirt out your mouth, boy. Come on now, my boy.
You right, man.
Yeah, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah. You gotta be cool on this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You can't be no lame on this motherfucker. You gotta be cool, so everybody be adding you as a friend and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
All right, bro, man. Take it easy. There we go, bro. I accept you right now, bro. You feel me? All right, bro. Keep it player. Keep it player. She 36 from Carmona, the Philippines. Damn, like, what the fuck she didn't want? She didn't want.
No, Michael. Thank you.
All right, bro. Have a good one, man. Come on here giving advice or something. I ain't gonna lie. She 20 from the United States of America. What's going on, girl?
Why you eat my pizza rolls, bro?
Huh?
Why'd you eat my pizza rolls?
How you know?
Bruh, so it was you?
How you knew it?
Oh my god.
What the hell?
You literally could have ate all the Hot Pockets. I do not care about Hot Pockets, but you ate my pizza rolls.
But how did you know, though? Who told you?
I just had a feeling. But you just told me.
Nah, I didn't tell you
Yes,
nothing.
you did, because you said you knew. Like,
No, I'm saying, how did you know that I like
I
pizza
just asked
rolls?
you. I just asked you. You just
Hey,
told
do
me.
you got a nose?
Do I got a nose?
Yeah.
No, I don't got a nose.
That's why that's why I don't see it. You don't got a nose? You on this motherfucker showing people your forehead or what?
Shut up. You in my business for what?
Damn, like that?
What you gonna do about it? Not shit.
I ain't gonna do nothing, man.
Yup.
I'm just
I thought.
cooling.
Yup.
Hey, but you have a good night, forehead. Forehead. Truth or dare, nigga? Nope. I don't want to play. I don't want to play. I don't want to play no truth or dare. Why I get reported? They just be report. Why they be report? Hugo from LA. Hugo from LA. That nigga in the gym. In LA. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Lil Gang, you on Call of Duty, Lil Gang?
Yep.
Alright,
That's-
man.
That's the only shit I play, bro.
You gotta start playing 2K, my brother.
Yeah, no, I don't play 2K, bro. This shit starting to get ass, bro.
You gotta get that 23. That 23 finna come out.
Yeah, bro, they all the same, bro. Like, dead ass.
I fuck with 2K, man. Let me talk about 2K, nigga. Shit do be getting bored sometimes. Y'all on 2K? What y'all doing? Y'all all trippy? Hey, hold on. Yeah. Hey, okay. Ooh, you ain't got no moves. You ain't got no moves. Hold on, turn the music down for a second. Hold on, turn the music down for a second. Pause it. Press pause. Oh, that's tight. Oh, you a real trippy fan. You a real trippy. Where y'all from?
Wait, hold up. I can't hear you. What'd you say?
That's why I said pause it. I said, where y'all from? Connecticut?
I'm from New York. I'm from Connecticut.
Where y'all at? I'm in LA. I'm nowhere near y'all. Don't even trip.
We're in Connecticut right now.
Oh, okay. So y'all, what time is it out there? It's 2 a.m. right now.
4:57 in the morning.
Damn. What y'all on right now? Y'all was drunk or what?
I wasn't doing nothing.
You don't do shit but that little vape in your hand?
No, I smoke weed, but
Oh, she be off some shit for real. What you be doing, my nigga? Now you ain't gotta disclose all of that. It's good, but you be TIU is what it do for you.
oh no, I do a lot.
You do.
I already did my partying like years ago. Like when I was 13, I used to like do acid and shit, but that's bad.
How old is you now?
17.
How old is you? 17, and y'all just vaping.
Yeah, cause like I used to smoke cigarettes, bro. Like I used to do mad shit, bro.
Oh, y'all used to be a hell off shit?
Wait, Angel on New Year's.
Wait. What you got on the side of your face?
4 for 4 because I love Wendy's.
Ain't no way. You got 3 for 4. I ain't gonna lie.
4 for 4. Like, you feel me?
That's 3 fours though, ain't it?
Yeah, 4 for 4. 4 for 4 from Wendy's. That should be feeding the whole family. Where's my mother?
No cap. I don't know.
Deal with you, bro.
Why you got them phones though right there though? Alright, man. They turned the music back on. I don't want to hear that shit. Get the fuck off my shit, being weird, nigga. Jada Waiter. Jada Waiter niece. This motherfucking little penis ass nigga.
Shut up, nigga.
Your lame ass up. How you report the nigga that was just doing the weird shit on the camera, man? Like, niggas be reporting me. I ain't even did nothing. Fuck are they reporting me for? All I see is 4 heads on this motherfucker. Girl, you know I look good. You back that ass up. Y'all niggas look lame as hell. I ain't even gonna lie. Them niggas look lame as hell. Man, y'all niggas got a nigga looking at walls and shit, bruh. Man, what game y'all just finished playing, bruh?
Your dad. Wait.
Them little niggas is under the cover jacking off. You niggas dangerous. What the hell? Boy, what they be on here doing is what I'm confused. Look at this nigga. You looking for a freak? I ain't gonna lie, you looking for a freak.
What are you doing?
What? Niggas be weird on this motherfucker, man. I don't know.
Y'all.
Gang in them. Ain't no lames in them. It's a whole lot of...
Shut your life.
Nigga said, I'm lame for real, nigga. He said, nigga, you lame as hell. You 102?
Mm-hmm.
I ain't gonna lie. Take the 0 away. Bro, like, that's all they want to do is just skip. What the fuck is y'all looking for on this motherfucker? Beyonce? What the fuck y'all looking for? Jay-Z on this motherfucker? Gotta be looking for Jay-Z and Beyonce on this app because they keep skipping me. Like, what's up, bro? Why they keep skipping me, bro? They trying to get the baddest bitch. I'm gonna give you some game right now, though, bro. They can't hear you. That's probably why they keep skipping you, though, fool. They can't hear you, fool. No cap. That nigga said, all right, good looking now.
What I did? Hey man. Hey man. Hey man.
Chinese, what it do, my partners? Can you say my nigga? Can you say my nigga? Bro, y'all niggas Wi-Fi, bro. Like, fix your shit. Bro, fix your shit. God damn.
Yo.
If your girl come close to me, she ain't coming home when she want to be. What it do in the dark, don't want to talk to nobody in the dark, man. Because whatever comes in the dark, come to light. Whatever we done in the dark, come to light. Man, all these people make me want to go. I'm finna get in my bed. My nigga. Straight up. What you doing? Why you posed up like that, gang? Get your lame ass out the door. Aww.
Nigga, you ain't no bro.
Aww, ugly ass dog. Bro, these niggas be.
You will keep skipping girls talking to me.
These niggas is up late night, want action. Boy, these young niggas is cold. These young niggas is cold. Young niggas up on action. Little homegirl, you know you sleepy.
I'm not.
You know you sleepy. You got all them damn bees
I'm
on your arm. You
not.
sleepy in the bed. You might as well go on and close the app and go to bed.
I'm high. I'm not going to.
Oh, you high for sure. Look at you giggling and shit, little nigga. Giggling like a motherfucker. That's comedy. Alright, man. Little nigga 15, high as a bitch. Bro, like, why is they showing the ceiling every time? They just show the ceiling and now I can't see shit with you. Like what's going on with that? Why is everybody doing that? That's the thing on here? I should be doing that type shit?
Damn.
The bitch said yeah and ghosted me.
No,
Another
you ain't hear that new law that just came out, bro?
man. Niggas be having jokes on here.
Hey, you need to shut up. You're weak.
There was 2 niggas right there in the dark on the monkey app. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this app.
Hey,
Hey.
How you doing?
good. Oh, you fine as fuck, daddy.
my.
God, what the fuck?
Thank you. I thank you. What kind of posters you got on your wall? I see them posters in the back.
Dang, you paying close attention.
Yeah, you got them posters, nigga.
You fine.
I appreciate that for real. I really do appreciate that, man. What y'all doing up late night on the monkey app, though?
I don't know, we bored. You fine, though. Let me come holler at you.
Alright, shit, you know what I'm saying? It's good. Don't even trip.
What's your cash app so I can send you some money?
I don't even do the cash app. I'll just be on the monkey app for real.
Oh.
Yeah.
I was gonna send you a little money.
I don't
My
need no
parents rich.
I don't need no little money.
All right, you a real one, my nigga.
Yeah, I don't need no little money, man. Y'all be
I like
cool.
you. Where you from?
You like me where I'm from?
This my nigga, bro. Get the fuck.
I'm rolling. Hey, y'all comedy. They funny. I'm about to get the hell up off of here, though. Bro, you got your green light on? It's just on the ceiling, bro.
Nigga said this is critical kush.
But this nigga tried to tell us.
Shut your lame ass up, bro.
Hey, boy.
What's going on, my boy?
You know
What?
what?
What y'all over there doing, my nigga? Who you with?
Oh, no. What do I do?
I said, who you with?
You know, 中文。
Yeah, that's some crazy shit for real, nigga. That's some crazy shit, cause like, nigga, what?
AK.
The fuck?
Yo.
Nigga, you're in the dark. Like, what are you doing?
You look like my dad.
I look like your dad. Bitch, you trying to say I'm old? You Kendrick Lamar for real? You ain't Kendrick Lamar, bruh. Who the hell is you? You is not 27. Lying like that on this app. Boy, your mama gonna
What you
slap
mean?
the your mama gonna slap the shit out of you.
Shut your bitch ass up.
Your mama gonna slap. You got a deep ass voice though, nigga. You could be 27, nigga. How you
I
that?
am.
How you that little nigga with a deep ass voice?
What you mean? I'm like 6'4".
You 6'4"?
Yeah, I'm sitting down. Look, this is my chair.
No, nigga. How old is you for real?
27.
Come on, gang. You like 14.
27, bro.
This little nigga lying to a man, fool. What's wrong with this nigga?
Hello.
What's going on, my boy?
Do you have gun?
Yeah, I got big guns.
I didn't fuck you.
Man, I'm off this shit, bro. These people just keep disrespecting me, man. I'm not even. Damn, why y'all want to disrespect me? You got your scarf on? You got your scarf on? You trying to lay your edges down? What you doing?
In my bed.
You laying in your bed trying to catch you a late night freak?
What the fuck, man? Again, man.
So what you laying in your bed? Bro, you can't even have. Bro. Y'all know what, man? I done had enough of this shit, man. I done had enough of this shit, bro. I'm off, man.